Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to run the remote control test on this TV. Go to settings, tap on all settings, tap on support, tap on device care. Just wait for a few seconds. Tap on self-diagnosis. So in this page, you can see the option remote control. So to run this remote control test, tap on this option remote control. Please test the smart remote that comes with the TV. Tap on yes. Smart remote settings will be initialized for more accurate diagnosis. Tap on yes. So we need to do all this on your remote. Press and hold the back button and this button. On the top right side, you can see smart remote connecting. Yeah. Tap on OK. Now press the home button plus play or button, return button. So we need to do all these one. Yeah, the tests are normal. Tap on close. Now you can see simply in this way we can run the remote control test on this TV. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.